Hi there guys, MJ here from Sherwood Dodge presenting the 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. This vehicle has only 120,192 kilometers on it. This is top of the line Trailhawk with all the options technology, of course. Passive entry keys, power seats for driver, heated seats, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, self-parking, lane departure. You got the dual panoramic sunroof, as well as blind spot monitoring there with heated rear view mirrors. You also have plenty of space in the back, of course, if you are carrying your passengers or if you are carrying your cargo. So power tailgate, hitch receiver, 4 and 7 pin, rear parking sensors. As I said, power tailgate, so it's pretty high. If you want to take this vehicle on a test drive, wanting to just test drive, call MJ at 780-802-4421. I repeat, 780-802-4421. Thank you.